Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Imperial TV. It's been a while, hasn't it? So, well, so much happened in December, of course. But it was my birthday month, so we partied until we dropped, of course, and then we went to Mexico. Mexico was amazing. Mexico was awesome. I would love to go back anytime, any minute, any day. But first, we have to work hard, and we need to make some money first. So, what does it take to make money? You gotta work hard, and then achieve, and cash it, and then have fun. So I'm ready. I've been on a no alcohol for about a week now, so let's kick some ass. Whoa. I love you. Alright. Let me introduce you to the new member of the family. This is Bella. Bella is only 3 months old. And she doesn't keep anybody asleep. I mean, she always howls, cries, until you actually put her in your lap so she can sleep. If you lay down and you put her on your chest, she probably will sleep. Otherwise, she will howl. She'll cry and like, oh my god. She's so cute. I'm gonna groom you. Alright, let's go. See, now I feel that I have the energy. So the smoothie didn't do it. The Red Bull didn't do it. But the food that I ate actually did it. So this is the Urus. I parked it like this so I can hide it from a lot of people. I don't want a lot of people to see, but now it's like, I don't care. You want to see, come take a look. That way you'll see what's before, and then once it's done, I'll show you what's after. During my birthday, I gave it to a friend of mine to lease it out to a group from Chicago. They took the car in. They kind of like abused it. That's why I should never lease my car, for real. And of course, after they abused it, the car was parked and another person just backed into it and they took off, but luckily they came back and they gave us their information and all that. So that's what's going on. They reversed into my car. How fast? I'd say maybe 5 miles an hour or maybe less, but look, at 5 miles an hour, look what this does to you. So it's probably like the momentum while they were reversing, more than just the speed. It's just like it was coming from a driveway and then and it hit it. So luckily didn't hit this door, didn't hit the fender. All it is just this door. I already got another door. All I have to do is just paint it, slap it on there, take everything, reverse it to the new door. Everything will be perfect. Go back to normal. There's no structural damage, there's nothing. It's just a door shell. It's something easy. It's a bag of chips, gravy, whatever you want to call it. Very easy, simple. It takes about 5 hours to change the door. So no big deal. It's aluminum, as you can see. It's super light, and the reason why it's more buckled in, it's because if it's a hard door, during an impact, if a person was inside, and it's a hard door, then you'll feel the impact even more. So this is more of like a hard / soft, where it will absorb an impact, and then while it's absorbing the impact, it won't ricochet your neck or spine, or like it's meant to actually absorb the impact and slow it down as much as possible. So that's why it's caved in. It's because it slows down instead of like hard. Slow it down. Do you guys want to see something cool? You guys want to see how that car got actually hit? Check this out. So as you see, the car was parked. This vehicle is reversing. Watch my car how it's gonna move. She's like, Lamborghini. Oh my God, let me run into it. You see that? Just repeat. Whoa. 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 Okay, that's car sex right there. Yep. And adios, amigos. Bye. I didn't mean it. Nah, they're good people. They were nice enough to actually leave their information. They're cool. They're good. So, the insurance is gonna pay out. I'll just have a new door. Hey, what's this on your neck?
Hickeys.
What is it?
Hickeys.
Hickeys?
I'm a good boy.
You okay? I think he's got dog allergies.
I'm allergic to your dog, dude.
You allergic to my dog? I knew it!
It's too cute.
I know,
So I get allergies.
Well, luckily I'm dating a girl that's a nurse, so I can get you whatever you want. Yeah. You want to go upstairs? Let's go. Let's go.
Did you get that?
Are you okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Dude, you sure? Okay, he's got dog allergies. Just like how I have a dog allergy.
Yeah.
It didn't hit me yet, but it did hit him. Because me and him are the same.
So keep her up here.
Okay, well, I'm trying to prove my point. Is like, I do have dog allergy. That's my cousin. He's got it too. Look at his neck.
Yeah.
So what should we give him?
Well, Benadryl. Do you have a Benadryl or anything?
Is this for the magic?
Back in my single days.
Motherfucker, is this alcohol?
This is not alcohol. It's the Butch mix.
What is
Use
it, like
it.
toothpaste and alcohol?
No, it's not toothpaste and alcohol. I'm not gonna tell everybody my mix. Wink, wink.
Okay, that's good.
No, wipe it.
Okay, you did, man.
You did? Okay, now put cortisone. I'm not gonna give you Benadryl because this will work fine.
But if it worsens, let him have it on hand though.
Huh? Okay. Yeah.
You should give him.
Alrighty.
What is that?
Huh?
What's that?
That's my mix. It's the Butch mix. I'm not gonna tell everybody what's in there. Here's two. But please, if you're driving, do not take it.
Not two,
This-
just take one.
This will knock a horse off of his feet.
Really?
Yeah. You want some of my allergy medicine?
Is it Viagra?
No. Viagra's for kids. That's embarrassing.
Oh, you! Oh my God! That's Imperial TV. So we're gonna be famous. Yoo-hoo! How's it going, bro? Good to see you. This is my friend is from Canada.
You from Canada?
Butch, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Well,
Right
Iranian,
here.
Canadian.
The package?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you the money once I check the package.
Got it?
Alright. Thank you.
Why is it off again? Oh, for the door jams. Man, I love you. Whoa!
I'm trying to do this car as like as factory as possible. Just like, so this is an $18,000 paint job from the factory, right?
That sounds, yeah.
So the guy made me repaint his whole entire vehicle.
I know you have all perfect paint jobs and everything, but if during the paint process, the particle sits on the paint, how are you supposed to remove that?
Okay, so that car, when it was painted by factory, they're stretching it. Let me see. How about this? My McLaren. It's been painted by McLaren. I can show you trash in my.
They're in Porsche.
My SVJ that's painted by Lamborghini themselves. Anything that's like painted by hands.
You guys want to tag us and everything? We review cars, mostly in Persian, but
Absolutely.
yeah. But he's got some like really heavy traffic on his page as well.
yeah.
So yeah,
Oh, that-
follow us, please.
we'll
Yeah.
share.
Cars I have driven, his page, and my page is my name is Ali, so Ali Bakrati, which I'm gonna put it on your.
Yeah. Go ahead. Take his info.
Sure.
And you guys check the link below.
I'm very happy, super happy. Yeah, thank you, man.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You guys are.
Put the window down. You blow the horn. Put the window down! What's your number? Hey Pablo, how are you? Hey Pablo, how are you?
Hey, Habibi. You can click the date and the the time that you wanna come see the car.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Then I'm gonna send you another invite. Okay, we're doing somewhat of a private.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm here at my best friend's shop, H&S Motors.
Hi, how you?
One of the best Ferrari technicians here in Houston. You guys should check his shop out.
But even if we're lost, you know it won't be long till we get there. Ooh, spinning round, no control. Ooh, burning down, letting go. We've been wandering in the dark, but no matter where we are, just remember.
So that's it guys, that's it for today. Today was a really stressful and busy day. We did accomplish a lot. It's kind of a little bit cold, really chilly. Until next time, don't forget, please subscribe to Imperial TV. I'll check you guys out later. Peace. Please subscribe to Imperial TV, otherwise I won't drive cars anymore. I'll be very sad. Ciao. All right.